What if you could make money while you sleep? Not a get-rich-quick scheme. Not a scam. Real, legitimate income that flows into your bank account whether you're working, sleeping, or on vacation. Today we're breaking down 5 passive income ideas that beginners can actually start, some with $0 upfront. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which passive income stream fits your situation and the first step to building it starting today. Passive income is money you earn without actively trading your time for it. Your regular job is active income. You stop working, you stop getting paid. Passive income is different. You do the work once and it keeps paying you over and over again. The wealthy don't have one income stream. Studies show the average millionaire has 7 sources of income. Most broke people have one, their job. That's the difference between financial freedom and financial struggle. When you buy shares of certain companies, they pay you a portion of profits every quarter. This is called a dividend. You don't have to do anything. Just own the stock and collect the payment. Example, if you invest $10,000 in dividend stocks, averaging 4% yield, you earn $400 per year, completely passively. That's $33 per month for doing absolutely nothing after the initial investment. How to start? Open a brokerage account on Robinhood or Fidelity. Search for dividend ETFs like VMM or SCHD. Invest whatever you can afford. The dividends start coming automatically. This is the easiest passive income on this list. A regular savings account pays 0.01% interest. A high-yield savings account pays 4 to 5% interest. On $5,000, that's $200 to $250 per year just for having money sit there. You're already saving money. Why not earn 400 times more interest on it? Move your savings to a high-yield account at SoFi, Marcus, or Ally Bank today. Takes 10 minutes and costs nothing. We talked about index funds in a previous video, but they're also one of the best passive income strategies. Historically, the S&P 500 returns 8 to 10% per year. On $10,000, that's $800 to $1,000 per year, growing completely passively. The key is time. The longer you leave it, the more it compounds. $500 per month invested for 30 years at 8% becomes over $700,000. You didn't actively manage anything. You just let compound interest do the work. Create something once and sell it forever. An ebook, a template, a course, a printable, anything digital that solves a problem. You create it one time and every sale after that is pure passive income. Examples that sell well: budget spreadsheet templates at $9 to $27, investing guides for beginners at $17 to $37, meal planning templates at $7 to $17. Sell them on Gumroad or Etsy, both free to start. The upfront work is creating the product. After that, every sale comes in automatically while you sleep. This one takes time to build, but has unlimited upside. Once your YouTube videos are live, they keep getting views and generating ad revenue forever. A video you made 3 years ago can still be making you money today. The same goes for blogs, podcasts, and social media. Build an audience, monetize with ads and affiliates, and earn passively from content you created once. The average successful YouTube channel earns $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. At 100,000 views per month, that's $200 to $500 in ad revenue alone, plus affiliate commissions on top of that. If you have money to invest, start with a high-yield savings account today. Takes 10 minutes and immediately starts earning. If you have very little money, start with digital products. Create a simple budget template this week and list it on Gumroad for $9. Even 10 sales per month is $90 passive income. If you have time but no money, start with content creation. Build your YouTube channel, grow your audience, and monetize over time. The best passive income stream is the one you actually start. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start with what you have today. If this video opened your eyes to passive income possibilities, subscribe to Leverage Your Money. Every week we break down exactly how to grow, protect, and leverage your money so you can build real financial freedom. Drop a comment below. Which passive income idea are you going to start first? See you in the next video.